Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm going to share with you my May Azure Standard Haul. Okay, so first up is my chicken products, and this is a 14% scratch mix supplemental feed for chickens. It is organic, and it is 50 pounds, and I find it to be a very good buy. My chickens love it, and right now I only have 8 hens and a rooster, and this bag does last me 2 months. So next up, this is the most economical way I found of purchasing poultry grit. So this is the Microna brand poultry grit with calcium carbonate, and it too is a 50-pound bag. And next up is calcium hydroxide lime. We use this for water glassing eggs. During the summer we have a super abundance of eggs, and it's a great way to be able to water glass some that we can eat with the whole yolks and that kind of thing for the winter. I do have 2 bags of this. 1 bag plus these lids were purchased for a friend, my neighbor friend. And this bag is 6 lids, wide mouth, that fit the gallon and half gallons that you buy from Azure Standard. So those 2 things are for her. So next up is a set of 3 Gamma Seals. Now these are the smaller ones. These will fit a 2-gallon bucket. And I get the buckets for free from a local bakery. And then now I have these that I can use for items that don't need such a huge quantity of. I use the 5-gallon buckets for things like my flours and sugars and those kind of things. And I use a little bit smaller bucket for things like pastas and rice, those kind of things. Now I have a couple new items that I purchased this time. And the first is an organic Jade pearl rice, and I was a little bit surprised. It's kind of a green color, and when I look at the ingredients, it's because it's organic white rice with bamboo extract. So I do purchase in the small amounts to make sure that we're going to like them and enjoy them before I try the larger amounts. Next up is a TriColor blend of rice. These are brown and red rice. So organic brown and red rice, but there's a couple shades there. And I'm trying, it's so hard to find a good wild rice mix, and when you do, they're so expensive. So my thought is, if we like this mixed with some of my wild rice, that next time I can order larger quantities and mix up my own to have on hand. And then those I would store in one of these 2-gallon buckets. The next item on my list is Jade Pearl Rice Ramen. And the reason I purchased this is I want to be able to put some in quart jars with like meals on the shelf, dry, that you would just dump in and add water and cook them. So hopefully that'll be some videos coming soon to our channel. Then I have 2 more items that I actually purchased off the truck. And the first is dried mango. And I've been kind of wanting to try this. I did receive it at 25% off. So I just need to call Azure Standard and make sure they get that to my next month's order at the sale price, and I'll pay for it then. And the last item I have here is organic rotini TriColor semolina, and I got this too at 25% off. So although our Azure Standard hauls aren't huge, I do kind of rotate stuff that I purchase each month. For instance, next month I'll probably buy more spices. But I also try to shop the sales. So if there's sale items, which I think the ramen was on sale this time, I can't remember what all was on sale, but then I can purchase things like that too on sale items. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and share our videos on your social media. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.